Hi, I'm Eileen Nguyen. I am in my second year here at Cabarrus College of Health Sciences. I'm excited to start your tour and tell you why Cabarrus College is so special. This is our main college building where we have our classrooms, simulation labs, student services, and more. We offer diplomas, associate's degrees, bachelor's degrees, and master's degrees in healthcare. Once you step foot into Cabarrus College, you enter into our lobby area. The owl statue is kind of a tradition here at Cabarrus College. Right before an exam, you rub the top of the head just to wish you good luck. To the right, you enter into our student pavilion, and you will find Avenue C if you want a quick snack or a quick drink. And we also have our patios out there if you want to study outside, which I personally really love to do. You also have the Student Success Office where you have counselors, and it's really quite convenient that everything in the pavilion is right there for students to access. So on the second floor, this is where we have all of our non-clinical classes and lectures. At Cabarrus College, the average class size is about 18, and the student to faculty ratio is 7-to-1. Even as Cabarrus College is growing, the majority of people know who you are and know you by name, and that's been a really good experience. Also located on the second floor is our Student Pavilion 2.0 that students can utilize to study or to get together with friends. We also have a testing center for students with accommodations to take exams and have a space to themselves. You also get to go across the street to Atrium Health Cabarrus, where we do many of our clinical rotations. We're able to dabble into different units and specialties. I recently just accepted a position on their maternity unit. It kind of gave me a little bit of security knowing that once I got through the end of the program, Atrium Health was there. Now let's head up to the third floor to show you our allied health and nursing clinical spaces.
Hi, my name is Savannah White. I am from Mooresville, North Carolina, and I am in my second year of the surgical tech program. I've always had a love for the OR. I'm somebody who didn't want to do bedside patient care, but I still wanted to work within the healthcare field. There are many aspects to healthcare that people don't think about. Respiratory therapy and occupational therapy are both major components once somebody leaves surgery itself. We also offer community paramedicine, community health and wellness, and biomedical sciences. It's very much a team profession. This is a small campus, but everything that you need to thrive and do well is all within the same building. All of our major simulation labs are on the third floor, as well as faculty offices. All of our professors and faculty are very helpful. They know you by name. Everything is very personal and focused to your success. As a student at Cabarrus College, you get lots of hands-on experience. If you're going into allied health or into nursing, you have to take anatomy. It is the basis of what we do for work. You also will take microbiology, which tells you all of the importance of sterile technique. Our medical assistant lab is set up very closely to a doctor's office. They can practice vital skills, taking patient histories, setting up for different procedures, and they can really practice working alongside the doctor, helping and supporting them. Within the OT lab, there are walkers, crutches, wheelchairs, and many other amenities to help patients with recovery from surgery, an illness, or an injury. The surgical tech lab is set up as an OR. We have scrub sinks and all of our supplies where you can grab gowns and gloves. There's also tons of skills that are learned as well, like draping the patient, prepping the patient, loading blades, loading sutures. Your first year, by December, you will be able to do a surgery from start to finish. In January, they will start scrubbing in the real setting. As a first year student going into my summer semester, I was offered a job working in surgical technology for Atrium Health before I've even graduated the program. As we are Atrium affiliated, we have lots of access to those sites, and we are allowed the opportunity to focus on the clinical portion of our courses. The college really makes sure we are prepared to help those patients in the best way that we can. Now that we've shown you our allied health programs, let's show you more of our nursing programs and facilities.
Hi, my name is John Hamilton. This is my first year in the ADN program. I've actually been a dialysis technician for about 8 years now, but I actually want to work in home dialysis. And I looked into Cabarrus and it just fit me. It's definitely a professional organization, but it's also a place that you can call home. So right now we are in the sim lab. You get to come here your first day and work on things like NG tubes, practice our CPR here, IV bags, anything that you basically work on a patient inside of the hospital, you can get it here. We're very hands-on in the simulation lab. Being in the classroom and then being able to apply that to the patient, you have that confidence. There's nothing wrong with jitters, so you're gonna have those a little bit, but you'll be okay. It's nice just to be right across the street over here at the college, and then you could come over to your hospital and use those skills, but also you're not just using those skills on just anyone, you're using it for the people in your community. We use the library to do our clinical prep work. They have all the books that you need, they have any resources that you need. I want to take my knowledge and give it in layman's terms to our patients so that they understand what's going on with them. We do a pre-conference in our small groups. We get to discuss all of our paperwork. Then we go out and put our skills to the test, assessing patients, passing medications. We follow our patients to different floors so we get to see just about anything that's going on in a hospital. So we work with OT, PT, post-surg, 1 and 2, OR, pre-op, post-op. It's a learning experience. Even though nursing school is tough and we have a lot of clinicals, we do take time for ourselves over the weekend to go out and enjoy a lot of activities in the area. Cabarrus is located in a beautiful and fast-growing Concord, North Carolina. And right next door is the historical city of Kannapolis. It's not too far from Charlotte. They have plenty of shops, sports events, and lots of good food for you foodies. If you want more information, you can review our website, sign up for a campus visit, or a one-on-one session with an admissions coordinator. We can't wait to see you and meet you on campus. You're going to love it here.